Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Chieftec BX-10B-OP Micro-ATX mini tower case. So friend, Chieftec glad to introduce the new BX-10B-OP, which is a modern compact mini tower that combines elegant and subtle design with high functionality and easy installation for capable system, and featuring standard ATX PSU capability, MATX board, graphics card up to a maximum length of 380 as well as total of 6 possible install fans. Modern configurations should have no trouble building install into BX-10B-OP from a space or cooling perspective, and front USB Type-C and Type-A ports complete the package for modern, highly functional case. And it features optimal cooling capability and support 240 radiators, and the 120 Pwm fans are pre-installed. And from the front I/O consists of one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, and audio out and mic in functions. And friend, it is compatible with Mini Itx and MATX compatible form factors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.